Can Ukrainian drones hit Russian aircraft at Plesetsk from 1,900 kilometers away? The answer clarifies what these reports mean for autonomous weapons, software tests, and technical careers. The concrete event is a reported Ukrainian drone campaign reaching deep into Russia. At OSINT Technical and at Clash Report describe strikes near Anapa and the Plesetsk region, roughly 1,800 to 1,900 kilometers from Ukraine. Plesetsk is a Russian spaceport area. At RA-Lee 85 reported that Russia said it had downed about 40 drones near Arkhangelsk. The distance is striking, but the target list shows what the attacks were intended to disrupt. The target list makes the reach concrete. Reports mentioned a Su-33 and MiG-29, two types of Russian fighter aircraft, plus an Orion, a Russian reconnaissance drone. They also named radar equipment and Tor, Pantsir, and S-400 air defense systems, which are weapons designed to detect or stop aircraft and missiles. The reported damage therefore involved aircraft, surveillance, and protection systems, not one isolated target. The target list shows reach. Saildrone shows weapons. At Visegrad 24 reported Saildrone's first live-fire exercise during RIMPAC, a large multinational military exercise. Saildrone is a maritime platform operating without a crew on board. It fired two JAGM missiles, guided weapons designed to steer toward a target. That gives the report a separate measurement. Two missiles launched from an unmanned sea-based platform. The missiles show autonomy at sea. Ox Alpha measures software. At JAGM reported Ox Alpha, an artificial intelligence model, scoring 63% across all 113 tasks in DeepSWE, a software test. The post placed it above Opus 4.8 and below GLM 5.3, two other named AI systems. Another at JAGM post showed Ox Alpha generating a multimodal loop, meaning a short video sequence combining visual content and software generation, featuring a pelican riding a bicycle and using a cell phone. And this reaches the job market through measurable tasks. The posts provide no hiring total or deadline, so a job boom cannot be claimed. They do identify concrete work areas, long-range drone operations and air defense, crewless maritime weapons, and AI software evaluation against 113 tasks. For career changers, those are the functions directly represented by the reported demonstrations. So yes, the reports say Ukrainian drones reached Russian aircraft near Plesetsk, roughly 1,900 kilometers away, but they do not measure every defense system's effectiveness. The next markers are another confirmed strike distance, another crewless missile launch, and a new score on the same 113 task test.